Got to get a look at the Boots Court here. That's an old phone, Saya. So all the postcards and the guest book, which we should sign. And there's the Jefferson Highway signing the guest book. There's an area in the back, so we'll look in the back here. Probably making up the rooms. Old Court Motel. I like the radio in every room sign. If we were here at dark, we can see the neon, which is pretty cool.
The Boots is a very historic, charming, streamline, modern court. Started back in the 30s with the little gas station in the front, and then Arthur Boots having buku competition at this intersection, the crossroads of America, where Jefferson Highway met with 66, decided to diversify, and he built 2 pairs of rooms with the carport associated with each one, and they did well. And so they did 2 more pairs of rooms, 5, 6, 7, and 8, each one with the carport, and they did very well. So then he tore out the pumps that were right over there and became a full-time motel guy. So this place was started in 39. The rooms were built in like 40, 41. And then he and his wife got a divorce, and the second owner made the 1946 building in the back, which is the first one that we restored. Our usual bread and butter is European travelers.
Oh, okay.
We had a calendar full of European reservations last summer, and of course nobody could come. Planes weren't flying, and if they could have gotten here, they couldn't have gotten in anyway. We weren't letting anybody in.
Yeah.
So we had to cancel. Everybody had to cancel. And a few of them tried again in the fall for the spring, but still couldn't do it. They had to cancel those too. Right now, Americans are so stir crazy and have major cabin fever. So we've had a lot of American travelers, because this Route 66 is a very nice, low-key way to travel during this uncertain time. You're in your car most of the time. You can stop off to see cool things and almost not deal with anybody, and stay in these quaint little historic places. Like we sanitize the heck out of our rooms. We sterilize everything. So we're a good place, safe place to stay.